Hello, Mr. Geiselhardt here. Now, there's a couple of different ways of doing this question. You can either do everything in the parentheses first and simplify this first, and then do the power of -2, or you can do the power of -2 to everything and then simplify. I'm going to choose to do the first part where I'm going to simplify what's in the parentheses first. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with my a's. So I have a squared minus a -4, which would give me a to the 6th. So I'm using my quotient rule when I'm doing that. Next, I'm going to do my b's. I have b squared minus a -5, which would equal b to the 7th. So that's going to be the b's that I'm taking care of. So since both of these are positive exponents, it's just going to be a to the 6th times b to the 7th, all of that raised to the -2 power. Now, when I raise it to the -2 power, I have to distribute this and multiply those exponents. So that will be a to the -12 times b to the -14. Now, we don't want to have any negative exponents, so what we need to do is make them both over 1. So 1 over a to the 12th, b to the 14th. Will be your final answer.